Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to Mechanical Training World. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. If I upload any new videos, you will get notification in the YouTube. And if you like my content, share to your friends also, so they will also get benefited. Let's get into the topic, guys. So this is the sixth lecture in ASME BPVC Section 8 Division 1 Code Training. So that is U2 General. There are two important points, guys. There are two important points we need to know in U2 General. So first one is U2A. U2A tells that while constructing a pressure vessel, the designer need to consider all loadings listed in UG22, that is, mechanical loads, wind and seismic loads, cyclic loads, fatigue loads, and self-weight of that component, etc. There are many more loads. We will discuss further UG22 video. Don't worry. And if you need any corrosion allowances, you need to consider. So that point also mentioned in U2A. And one more point like post-weld heat treatment and non-destructive examination shall be done if our requirement is beyond the requirements of this division. So if you buy a product, so if that requires post-weld heat treatment or non-destructive examinations like liquid penetration test, inspection tests, if does it requires, so you need to must do that requirements also. Okay, I hope you understand this point. And Section 8 Division 1 does not provide regulations for division designing every individual part. Then my question is how to proceed if a formula for specific part is not obtained from this division? Is there any guidance that we need to follow? So how to proceed if a formula for specific part is not obtained from this division? Can we use division 2 formulas? And can you, if you know, please answer in the comment box. The answer for this question is mentioned in UG, not UG, U2 class G. It provides guidance on how to proceed when your formula is not there in Section 8 Division 1. So simply we need to follow three methods. First one is mandatory appendix 42. This appendix is the bridge between Division 1 and Division 2, guys. It says that if a formula is not available in Division 1 code, then we can use Division 2 Part 4 similar formulas. And if required, we can also use Division 2 Part 5 final element analysis method also for our designing part. So we can use these two Part 5 and Part 4 sections in Division 2 if there is no formula in our Division 1. Okay, it is important to note that if this method is used, the design code should still be Division 1 only. We need to mention in our inspection, in our name template, we follow Division 1 code only. But through mandatory Appendix 46, we followed the Division 2 formulas for that specific part that we need to mention. Okay, we do not mention Division 2 formulas. We need to mention only Division 1 because our entire vessel is designed through Division 1 only. Only specific part that too, there is no formula available in Division 1. Then only we used that Division 2 formulas. I hope you understand my intention. Okay, okay, we are using Division 2 formulas. Okay, so what are the allowable stresses we need to consider if we use that Division 2 formulas for that particular product? What is your opinion, guys? Comment in the comment section. So the answer is we need to use Division 1 allowable stresses only because our main agenda to design a pressure vessel is Division 1 code. So we need to consider allowable stresses as per Division 1 only. If you take allowable stresses as per Division 2, there may be chances of failure in our cases. Okay, I hope you understand my point. Okay, next one is if a formula is available in Division 1 for the designing of our pressure vessel components, shall we consider Division 2 formulas? What is your opinion, guys? So just type your answer in the comment box. And the answer is no. We cannot use Division 2 formulas if there is a formula in Division 1. We cannot bypass the Division 1 code, guys. The code says that if there is no formula available in Section 8 Division 1, then only we need to go to division 2 through mandatory appendix 46. Then only we need to use that division 2 formulas or finite element analysis methods to compute our thicknesses. Okay, unless if division 1 says you can use division 2 formulas, we cannot use division 2 formulas. So this is the important note point you need to remember. And next we go to method 2, that is proof test, UG 101. It is mentioned in UG 101. If you want to read, you can read. I will explain in upcoming videos also. Actually, in our pressure vessel industry, we cannot use this proof test. If you observe in automobile industries, the proof test most commonly used because in automobile industries, the components are very small and they will prepare in a bulk. So that's why they use one or two products for proof test, whether that component is uh, strengthened or not, or free from defects or not. Okay, but in our case, this is not a small thing to do proof test. Our vessel is too much long. If you do proof test, there is huge loss of money wise, time wise, and there is huge loss to our company also. So most of the cases we didn't go to proof test, but code mentioned that if required, we need to follow proof test also to find out the thickness or anything. And next method is other recognized standards and codes or methods. We need to follow other standard codes, methods if required, like WRC 107, WRC 297. In that WRC 107 and 297, there is a load calculations for nozzles, which mention thickness formulas and everything. So if you want, you can follow WRC 107, 297, other standards, other codes for our designing pressure vessel components. For example, if you want to design a pressure relief valve, we need to follow CGA S1.3 special code. And if you want to design your pipes and fittings, so we need to follow piping code. Okay. I think ASME B 31.3 or 31.1 something. So we need to follow that codes if there is no formula available in division 1. So I hope you understand this session. So thank you guys.